How to download your cover art. Step 1. Choose a cover, head over to the shop page and explore our collection. See something you love? Click on it to view the full preview and details. Step 2. Add to cart or buy now. Click Buy Now or Add to Cart, whichever you prefer. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. Step 3. Complete checkout. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. These are required so we can send you the download link. Don't forget to agree to the terms and conditions. Then click Place Order. No payment is needed for free covers. Step 4. Download your files. After placing your order, you'll land on the order confirmation page. Scroll down to the download section. Click the red download button to instantly save your cover files. Step 5. Check your email. We've also sent a confirmation email to the address you provided. Your files are just one click away.